Hey there, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are talking about the best earbuds cleaning kit that helps you keep your devices clean and working like new. Meet the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit, a compact and smart tool made for precise and safe cleaning. Let's get started. The Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is designed as an all-in-one cleaning solution. It is not just for earbuds. You can also use it for headphones, phones, keyboards, and other small electronic devices. Instead of using random tools that might damage your gadgets, this kit gives you the right tools in one simple package. One of the key parts of the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is the upgraded headphone cleaning pen. This pen is designed to be both soft and sharp at the same time. That may sound unusual, but it means it can reach tight and small areas while still being gentle on delicate surfaces. The silicone tip helps clean earphones carefully without scratching them. It can remove dirt and buildup from deep inside the small gaps where dust usually hides. The kit also includes a soft brush specially made for earphone grills and speaker holes. These small holes can easily collect dust and debris, which may affect sound quality over time. The soft brush allows you to clean these areas carefully, helping maintain clear and balanced audio. It keeps your earbuds performing the way they should. Another useful tool in the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is the cotton swab. This is perfect for cleaning inside charging cases and other small corners. Charging cases can collect dust and pocket lint very quickly. Using the cotton swab helps keep them hygienic and ensures better contact when charging your earbuds. Portability is another strong point. The Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is lightweight and compact. You can easily carry it in your bag, backpack, or even a small pouch. This makes it convenient for quick cleaning at home, at the office, or while traveling. It does not take up much space, yet it offers multiple cleaning functions. The overall design feels simple and practical. Each tool has its own purpose, and together they make device maintenance easy and safe. Regular cleaning not only keeps your gadgets looking good, but also helps extend their lifespan. Clean devices simply work better. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more useful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.